Stormy nights, we face the pain, battling challenges, breaking the chains. Ups and downs, health and strain, our brand strength kept us sane. We made it together through it all, rising higher each time we fall. Our brand met with you, we stand tall, celebrating victories big and small. Struggles came, but we found our way, believing tomorrow would be a brighter day. Every obstacle we overcame, our brand's vision ignited the flame. We made it together through it all, rising higher each time we fall. Our brand met with you, we stand tall, celebrating victories big and small. In sickness and health, we held on tight, guided by purpose, embraced the night. Never alone, united and true. Our brand, we owe it all to you. We made it together through it all, rising higher each time we fall. Our brand, with you we stand tall, celebrating victories big and small. Journey complete, yet still we strive. With our brand, dreams survive. Through challenges faced, we found our grace. We made it together, winning the race.